Are you looking for the best laser level? In this video, we will break down the top laser levels on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best laser levels, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the DeWalt DW088K Crossline Laser. For a simple crossline laser, the DeWalt DW088K is one of the most reliable out there. It's built DeWalt tough and operates for hours on 3 AAA batteries. Clearly visible lines can be projected up to 100 feet and includes a pulse mode to detect a portable marker. With a tolerance of 1/8 of an inch at 30 feet, it is one of the most accurate laser levels available. The self-leveling feature makes it so as long as the tool is within a few degrees of level, the pendulum takes care of the rest. The pivoting base will accept a 1/4 inch thread for a tripod or other connector to assist with marking along studs, outlet heights, and more. Of our top picks, this is the best laser level for simple layouts and checking the level of walls, trim, or other items. The DeWalt Crossline Laser is a fast and easy tool. It's made to be extremely functional in layouts for everything from flooring, subfloor leveling, hanging drywall or kitchen cabinets, and ceiling tile, and is perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. It can stand up to job site roughness, featuring a hard plastic case that is small enough to handle easily, but powerful enough for working long spans. At number 2, we have the Bosch GPL 3T Torpedo Laser Alignment Kit. For situations that require a different type of functionality, the Bosch GPL 3T is another level to look at. It casts level, plumb, and square lines as well as grade points, and includes bubble vials for leveling and precision. With a patented splitter, the unit casts all lines from a single diode, increasing efficiency and accuracy. The kit includes a 20-inch tripod, and the laser unit accepts a 1/4 inch thread for compatibility with other tripods. The kit even includes a belt pouch and the 3 AAA batteries to get you started. The only serious complaint is that the line loses coherence towards the end of the 100-foot range, growing slightly larger and fuzzier. This could cause minor fluctuations over long distances, but can be easily overcome by using intermediate checks. At number 3, we have the Decker BDL 190S BullsEye Line Laser. For carpentry and sheeting applications, the Decker BDL 190S is made for light to medium construction or home use, combining a line level with a stud detector. It uses a proprietary auto-leveling design that increases accuracy and is powered by 2 AA batteries. It works on wood, drywall, plaster, and other surfaces, and will detect wood or metal studs, nails, screws, metal pipe, or electrical wiring. It does not provide a connector for a tripod, and is a little bulkier than necessary, and the only other disadvantage is that the beam is only accurate to about 50 feet before it begins to lose cohesion. The BullsEye laser is designed to do 2 very simple jobs, and it performs those functions well enough to earn a spot as one of the top laser levels for handymen or home enthusiasts. So that sums up our top laser levels. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.